Ancient forests frozen in time. Secrets of Earth's. Imagine stepping into a forest that has remained almost unchanged for millions of years. A place where ancient trees tower above, mysterious plants thrive, and creatures roam that can't be found anywhere else on Earth. These are the ancient forests, rare and precious ecosystems that have somehow evaded the hand of time. Unlike most of the world's forests, which have been shaped and altered by human activity, these hidden places have remained untouched, holding secrets of Earth's past and revealing glimpses into a world we can only dream about. But what makes these forests so unique? And why are they so incredibly rare? Today, we'll journey into some of these timeless places, discovering how they've survived for eons and what mysteries lie within their depths. From trees that predate human civilization to plants and animals found nowhere else, these ancient forests hold the key to understanding not just the past, but the incredible power and resilience of nature. Yakushima Island, Japan. Our journey begins on Yakushima Island in Japan, a place often described as otherworldly. This island is home to some of the world's oldest trees, the ancient Yakusuji cedars, which are estimated to be over 7,000 years old. Walking through this forest feels like stepping into a realm from another time, where thick moss carpets the ground and mist lingers among the trees, adding to its mysterious aura. These cedar giants are not the only remarkable inhabitants of Yakushima. The island's humid, mist-filled environment has led to the evolution of unique plant and animal life found nowhere else. Here, tiny shrubs grow beside towering ancient trees, and rare species like the Yakushima macaque and the yakudeer have adapted to the forest's damp, lush conditions. Yakushima's forests are more than just a collection of ancient trees. They're a thriving, complex ecosystem, showcasing the resilience and beauty of nature untouched by human hands. In these misty woods, the balance of life has continued almost unchanged for millennia, offering a rare glimpse into what ancient forests might have looked like across the world. Daintree Rainforest, Australia. Next, we venture to the Daintree Rainforest in Australia, a place so ancient that it dates back over 180 million years. This makes the Daintree one of the world's oldest rainforests, predating even the mighty Amazon. Walking through the Daintree is like stepping into a prehistoric era. This forest has remained nearly unchanged since the age of the dinosaurs. The Daintree's incredible age has allowed it to evolve a rich and diverse ecosystem, hosting thousands of unique species of plants and animals. Many of these creatures are found nowhere else on Earth, from the beautiful, yet dangerous, cassowary bird to plants that existed in the time of dinosaurs. This rainforest holds a wealth of life forms that have survived the ages. With towering trees, lush ferns, and exotic flowers, the Daintree is a living museum of biodiversity. Each layer of this rainforest, from the canopy to the forest floor, teems with life, creating one of the most complex and rich ecosystems on the planet. Here in the Daintree, nature's secrets from millions of years ago remain preserved, offering a stunning reminder of Earth's ancient past. Black River Gorges, Mauritius. Our next destination takes us to the island of Mauritius, where the Black River Gorges National Park preserves one of the last remaining native forests in the region. This isolated forest is a world of its own, home to a variety of plants and animals that have evolved separately from mainland species over millions of years. Thanks to its isolation, Black River Gorges has developed a unique ecosystem filled with species found nowhere else on Earth. Here, you'll find the Mauritius kestrel, once one of the world's rarest birds, as well as the striking pink pigeon and the echo parakeet. Many of these species are endangered and have adapted to the specific conditions of this remote forest. The forest itself is a mix of lush greenery and rugged terrain, with rare trees and plants like the ebony tree and the tambalacoke, often called the dodo tree, believed to have once relied on the now extinct dodo bird for seed dispersal. This makes Black River Gorges not only a haven of biodiversity, but also a living reminder of how interconnected nature can be. As a sanctuary for these unique species, Black River Gorges stands as a fragile yet resilient testament to the power of isolation and evolution, offering a glimpse into a world that exists nowhere else but here in Mauritius. Wollemi Pine Grove, Australia. Nestled deep within the rugged wilderness of Australia lies a hidden treasure known as the Wollemi pine grove. This remarkable site is often referred to as a living fossil, as it is home to the Wollemi pine, a tree species thought to have been extinct for millions of years until its astonishing rediscovery in 1994. The story of the Wollemi pine is a tale of survival against the odds. Believed to have thrived during the time of the dinosaurs, these ancient trees were thought to have disappeared from the Earth's landscape. However, a small population was discovered in a remote canyon, hidden away from human disturbance and development. This remarkable find has captivated scientists and nature lovers alike, providing a living link to our planet's distant past. The Wollemi pine, with its unique, knobby bark and lush, fern-like foliage, grows in a narrow, protected area, showcasing its resilience in an environment that is both beautiful and harsh. The grove serves as a critical habitat, protecting not just these extraordinary trees, but also a variety of other plants and wildlife that thrive in this ancient ecosystem. Today, the Wollemi pine grove is a symbol of nature's endurance and the importance of conservation efforts. It reminds us that even in the most isolated corners of our planet, life can persist in extraordinary ways, connecting us to the history of our Earth and the mysteries that still remain hidden in its depths. What makes these forests special? So, what truly makes these ancient forests so special? The answer lies in their unique ecosystems, shaped by isolation and time. Over millions of years, these forests have evolved in relative seclusion, allowing species to adapt and flourish in ways we seldom see elsewhere. In many cases, the geographical isolation of these forests has prevented the mixing of species with those found on the mainland. As a result, we find plants and animals that have developed unique traits, adapted to their specific environments. For example, in the Daintree Rainforest, we see species like the tree kangaroo, which has evolved to thrive in the dense canopy, while the rare plants here have developed specialized methods for water retention in the humid climate. Similarly, the endemic species of Black River gorges, like the echo parakeet, have evolved distinct characteristics that enable them to survive in their unique habitat, isolated from their relatives. This evolutionary process can lead to the development of entirely new species, a phenomenon known as speciation, where isolation drives biodiversity. Furthermore, these ancient forests often contain a variety of microhabitats, each supporting different forms of life. The varied climates, elevations, and soil types create a mosaic of ecosystems within a single forest, fostering a rich tapestry of biodiversity. Ultimately, the rarity and significance of these forests lie not just in their age, but in the extraordinary evolutionary journeys that have unfolded within their boundaries. They serve as living laboratories of nature, showcasing the incredible adaptability of life and the intricate connections that exist within ecosystems. Untouched by humans. One of the most remarkable aspects of these ancient forests is their untouched nature. Unlike many ecosystems around the world, which have been significantly altered or destroyed by human activities, these forests have remained relatively pristine, providing us with a rare glimpse into what our planet looked like long before human influence took hold. In these ancient landscapes, we can witness ecosystems that have developed naturally, free from the pressures of logging, agriculture, and urbanization. The towering trees, complex undergrowth, and diverse wildlife represent a harmonious balance that has persisted for millennia. This is especially evident in places like the Daintree Rainforest and Yakushima Island, where the interplay of climate, soil, and species has created thriving habitats that tell a story of resilience and adaptation. These forests are like living time capsules, preserving not just the flora and fauna, but also the ecological processes that have shaped life on Earth. For instance, the interactions between species, such as pollination and seed dispersal, have continued uninterrupted, allowing for the evolution of intricate relationships that are often lost in disturbed environments. Mysterious discoveries. Within the depths of ancient forests, the mysteries of evolution reveal themselves through bizarre and fascinating plant and animal adaptations. These adaptations not only highlight nature's ingenuity, but also spark curiosity about the unknown species that may still be lurking within these untouched ecosystems. Take For instance, the Rafflesia arnoldii, found in the rainforests of Southeast Asia, including areas like Yakushima. This extraordinary flower is known for being the largest in the world, with blooms that can reach up to 3 feet in diameter. What's even more mysterious is its unique life cycle. It is a parasitic plant that feeds off the host vine, completely lacking leaves and stems, which raises questions about how such a plant evolved to thrive in its environment. In the Daintree Rainforest, we encounter the strangler fig, a tree that starts its life as an epiphyte, growing on another tree. As it matures, it sends down roots that encircle and eventually envelop its host, often leading to the host's demise. This adaptation allows the strangler fig to access sunlight in the dense rainforest canopy, showcasing the intricate relationships that develop within these ecosystems. Moreover, discoveries in the Black River Gorges have unveiled previously unknown species, such as the recently identified Mauritius spider and various endemic plants that display unique adaptations to survive in the park's rugged terrain. Each year, researchers continue to explore these ancient forests, and with every expedition, new species and adaptations emerge, suggesting that we have barely scratched the surface of understanding the biodiversity that exists within these environments. Additionally, the Wollemi pine has intrigued scientists not just for its history, but also for its resilience. Thought to be extinct for millions of years, the living specimens have adapted to survive in a narrow, specific habitat that has kept them safe from changing climate conditions. This remarkable survival story encourages researchers to consider how other species may similarly endure in the face of modern environmental challenges. These mysterious discoveries remind us that within the ancient forests lie untold secrets of evolution, waiting to be uncovered. Each finding not only enhances our understanding of life's diversity, but also highlights the importance of preserving these ecosystems, where new wonders continue to emerge. As we conclude our journey through the enchanting realm of ancient forests, we are reminded of the profound magic these ecosystems hold. From the towering trees of the Daintree to the misty groves of Yakushima, these places are not just remnants of a bygone era. They are living, breathing witnesses to the resilience of nature and the incredible stories it has to tell. Each ancient forest is a treasure trove of biodiversity, filled with unique species and adaptations that have evolved over millions of years. Yet, as we've seen, these forests face significant challenges that threaten their existence. It's crucial for us to recognize their value and the importance of preserving them for future generations. Let this exploration inspire us to think about the countless mysteries nature still holds, from undiscovered species to ecological processes we have yet to understand. As stewards of our planet, we have a responsibility to protect these irreplaceable habitats. So, whether through supporting conservation efforts, advocating for sustainable practices, or simply spreading awareness about the wonders of our natural world, each of us can contribute to the preservation of these magical places. Together, we can ensure that future generations inherit a planet rich in biodiversity and beauty, filled with the stories and secrets that ancient forests continue to share. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of ancient forests. Until next time, keep wondering about the mysteries of nature, and remember that our actions today will shape the world of tomorrow. Remember to like and subscribe to this channel for more adventures.